understanding, I thought of providing a quick navigational overview on the scheduling on the Primavera P6 Professional, which is used in project management, of course. Apart from Primavera, which is Oracle product, you also have something like MS Projects, which is Microsoft product. The Primavera is quite common in the construction industry. So if you look at it over here, you have the activities, you have work breakdown structure. On top of it, you have something like design, then foundation, structure, and project management, of course. So under this WPS, you have activities. If you see that E100, that is activity code, and description, the activity name, the start date, end date, and then on the right side is what is the Gantt chart. So if you look at it, for example, the inspect and repair, that is one activity which has a start date, end date. If you look at it on the bottom over here, it has the details, it has the predecessor, which is the predecessor activity, and then you also have the successor activity, and then it also has the status. So 5 days. So this activity is not, it is not consumed, and it is of course delayed. The reason is, yes, the date today is somewhere we are in Jan 2020, whereas this is related to 2018. That is where it is showing, indicating in red. Whereas if you take the other activity like excavation, this one is completed, 100% is completed. So another one to note here is that each of the activity will have a resource assigned. That is where it has the budget cost. So when you consume, it becomes actual. This is the budgeted, and once it consumes, it becomes the actual, which is getting consumed. So that is where the actual unit, in this case, it is already consumed. So this is kind of a scheduling. You can call it scheduling tool. You can call it a project management tool as well, so that you can have WBS projects defined. Under projects, you can have WBS. Under WBS, you can have activities. And with the activities, you can build dependencies. And this is called as the Gantt chart. You can build the dependency, and for all the activities, you can assign the resources as well. So it's a kind of an automated tool wherein you can even, once you get into, after baselining the project, once you get into the actual execution of the project, you can keep updating the status, so that it will give you what is the consumed. You can even find out what is the schedule variance, what is the if there is any cost variance. So those details can also be tracked. So by this, I think you have a fair idea. There are tools like MS Projects or Oracle Primavera, which is extensively used in project management. Thank you.